good people? It's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. We're back for another video. I want to thank you for stopping by. Seen a little trend on TikTok and on Instagram. I want to try it. So as you've seen in the thumbnail, we will be doing grilled cheese hot dogs. So stick around. Let's get it. All right, first step, we're going to get these hot dogs scored and seasoned up. All right, these are the franks we'll be using today. It is the Nathan's 100% beef. So I'm gonna get these out of the package and we'll get them scored up. All right, so here are dogs glistening in all their glory. So we're gonna go ahead and score these. So when we put the rub on them, it'll have a better chance of getting down into the dog a little bit better. Score them, just not going too deep, but deep enough to get some of that seasoning in there, like I said. We'll turn these over, repeat the process on the back side, and we'll be ready for our seasoning. It was pretty painless. For the season today, we will be using the Thundering Longhorn beef rub for this. This is a pretty good season. If you hadn't tried it, I would suggest you try it. It's by Fire and Smoke Society. Good stuff. A nice coarse rub, as you can see. Really flavorful, really good on beef. So with these being beef dogs, I think it'll pair very well. Just give those a roll, get them getting coated, and we will head outside and get the Weber Smokey. All right, so most of the videos I've seen, the people doing this, they cook the dogs on the griddle. But I won't stand for that here at Salt, Pepper, and Fire. You know we got to put some smoke on these things. So I got Salt, Pepper, Fire Jr. with me, and we're about to get this Weber set up for this cook. And you know we're rocking with the Good Charcoal Company for this cook. And of course, my son opened the bag upside down. So what do you do? We're gonna throw a little cherry split on here just for fun. Thanks my buddy Jonathan for giving me these. Really appreciate it. Shout out to you, man. All right, good people, the dogs are off and running. They shouldn't take that long. We'll take a look at them here in just a second, and then we'll bring you inside for the next step. All right, guys, so in prepping these, here's what we've done. Come down with a little bit of ranch dressing. First layer of cheese inside. Jalapeno. And then we're ready for our frank. I don't know about you, but I think those look pretty dang good, right? All right, so we'll just add one to each. And last, we'll go down with another layer of blended cheese on top. A nice healthy layer there. All right, and once you get this layer on, you'll want to press that down so when you flip this onto the griddle, it'll stay in there. melt this cheese and sear that dog into the bun here. So I will meet you at the griddle. We will get these down. It'll be time to eat soon. All right, guys, I'm really gonna need you to wish me luck flipping these onto the griddle, and hopefully I get the cheese where it needs to be. So here we go. All right, guys, so the cook is finished. You see the smoky, cheesy goodness. I'm ready to dive into this and see how it is. I'll let you guys know. Leave a comment, like, share this video, and thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And until next time, we'll see you guys.